Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. So I'll say the past 3 days have been quite an enriching experience for me. When I came here on Friday, I could say that I had a limited knowledge and understanding of Excel's 3 powers and also data modeling tools. But today I can proudly say that I will be leaving here with a deep sense of appreciation of how this data modeling and Excel powers can be, and how effectively they can also enhance my financial reporting capabilities. So personally for me, what stood out for me would be the data query, of course, the Power BI, and also the Power Pivot. And then also how we were able to link various reporting tools with slices and also timelines. That really stood out for me. So overall, I would say the training has met my expectations. And I strongly believe that going forward, this would definitely enhance my work and make me a lot more efficient. So on that note, I would like to thank Mr. Fofana for the delivery of this training, your patience, and how you were able to carry everyone along, even though we were all not on the same level. So I would definitely like to thank you, and I would like to say that the training has definitely met my expectations. The only problem I would say is he is from the other side.
The best side, huh?
Yeah. It would have been better if he's from New. But on that note, I would also like to thank our finance director and our institution for according us this opportunity to be part of this training. And also like to thank my colleagues for their contributions and for ensuring this was an interactive session. On that note, I say thank you to everyone.